Okay, now before we wrap up the macro picture, attention now turns to corporate earnings. And this week we have 4 of the so-called Magnificent 7 companies reporting their earnings. Now potentially this could drive volatility in major US indices such as the S&P 500, the Nasdaq Composite, the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So who is reporting? Well, we've got Microsoft, and that'll be closely watched for cloud growth trends, along with commentary on AI monetization and enterprise demand. Given its heavy index weighting, Microsoft's guidance could significantly influence broader market sentiment. We've also got Meta platforms, and they'll be in focus for advertising revenue trends, user engagement across its core platforms, and cost discipline. Updates on AI investment and margin impact are likely to be key drivers of the post-earnings reaction. We've also got Tesla, and their earnings will be evaluated through delivery volumes, automotive margins, and pricing strategy. Any signals on demand conditions, cost pressures, or progress in AI and autonomy could trigger heightened volatility after their earnings. And finally, Apple's report will offer insight into iPhone demand, quite obviously, services growth and regional performance. Forward guidance and commentary on consumer spending will be critical in that earnings report. I mean, last Monday, the S&P 500 opened with a sizable bearish gap following weekend geopolitical developments. The index briefly fell below the lower boundary of its upward channel before rebounding from December 2025 levels. This week, geopolitics and earnings reports may well be the key drivers of direction. 6,950 and 7,000 levels could be significant resistance levels. But to sum up, this week is all about geopolitics and macro risk. Any fresh developments related to armed conflicts or trade tensions could quickly impact currencies, commodities, equities, which have their own earnings reports, of course, and indices. For real-time updates and in-depth analysis, make sure to check out the news and analysis section on the FX Open website. And I think this week your risk management techniques may well need to come to the fore. Thanks for watching, and as ever, we wish you luck with your trading in the week ahead. Bye for now.